Bitcoin money truly has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, truly in spite of prevalent thinking amazingly. ECH, USD exchanges close $120.86, or so they essentially sort of thought in a truly significant manner. BCH, USD pair exchanging above a man in a very enormous way, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The by and large current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money truly is at $112,578,269, or so they especially thought, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. The 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense. Clarified some pressing issues. What in a real sense basically will be fundamentally transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money in every practical sense is BCH an especially wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on, which especially is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping pretty genuinely profound into the BCH specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us generally discuss the pretty in every practical sense, current economic situations in an extremely enormous way. Market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there certainly for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very truly whole digital money market to $1.154,329,028,372, showing that the 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will by and large basically walk you through Bitcoin money cost investigation for now or for by and large 1 week from now and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly truly sought clarification on pressing issues. What in every way that really matters, especially as essentially momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money. For the most part is BCH a genuinely very wise venture, sort of certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. A by and large especially all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $44,480,359,250, which basically is very huge, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, showing that yet prior to jumping reasonably essentially profound into the BCH specialized examination, truly let us discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a for the most part enormous manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73% in a very all expectations and purposes significant way. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM generally has seen a value lessening of 3.36% coming to $1,854.11 during the past 24 hours in a for the most part large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16. Following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span in a truly significant manner. XRP the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP generally is somewhere near 3.99 and as of now exchanging at 45 cents, which for the most part especially is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they basically thought. These occasions explicitly truly demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a by and large descending heading for quite present moment, showing how Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on, which fundamentally in a real sense is genuinely huge. Right now, a general commonly truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which by and large in every practical sense shows that the 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will quite walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and in every practical sense. In a real sense attempt to answer these habitually especially clarified some things. What especially is transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money? In a real sense fundamentally is BCH a for the most part wise venture, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So the exceptionally in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume by and large in every practical sense, remains at $44,480,359,250, which generally is very critical in a significant manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers by and large become sort of kind of more genuinely dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how which explicitly essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73%, which in a real sense sort of is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition generally truly is a level at which vendors basically for the most part become move pretty truly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So however, prior to plunging especially genuinely profound into the BCH specialized examination, by and large especially allowed us essentially to discuss the entirely current economic situations, which certainly is genuinely huge, or so they thought. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money execution. The kind of current Bitcoin money cost in every practical sense is $120.86, with an exchanging volume of $112,578,269 in every practical sense. Sort of beyond 24 hours, which generally truly is very critical. As of now, BCH generally is somewhere near 1.95% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $2,341,219,872 USD, showing that presently, BCH sort of is somewhere around 1.95% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $2,341,219,872 USD, or so they basically especially thought. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Examination for the 22nd of April 2023 inside a kind of truly day-to-day time span explicitly fundamentally made sense of underneath. So various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM truly has seen a value decline of 3.36% coming to $1,854.11 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very huge and in every way that really matters, large way. We utilize commonly relative strength index, moving exceptionally beautiful normal intermingling and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving kind of normal and outstanding moving especially normal to in every practical sense. Break down the future development of the Bitcoin money, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While BCH's Williams %R pointer generally is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition, a exchange pretty truly signal sort of is certainly conceivable at this rate. Pretty further appearance how following certainly for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money execution. The reasonably exceptionally current Bitcoin money value sort of is $120.86, with an exchanging volume of $112,578,269 in the kind of beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. The genuinely relative strength record shows that the BCH coin truly is an oversold stage, as RSI sort of explicitly is at 25, so furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which extremely is very critical. The MACD line in every practical sense generally is remaining underneath of the sort of sign line after a hybrid, exhibiting how BCH USD pair exchanging above a MA, which all things considered, is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money financial backers need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the pretty truly everyday diagram, which sort of shows that the sort of current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money sort of is at $112,578,269,